Welcome to TechBrothersIT. In this video, we are going to learn about covariance function in a PySpark. The covariance function in PySpark calculates the sample covariance between two numeric columns of a data frame. Covariance shows how two variables change together. If a positive covariance, that means the variable increase together. If the negative covariance, that means one increases, the other decreases. Now it accepts two parameters here, so you will provide a column 1 and column 2, and then it's going to return you a float type. So that's the sample covariance between two columns. That's the output we are going to get. Here we have sample data, and you can see that we have name, age, and salary, and then we are creating this data frame called DF by using the sample data and the list of the columns we have here. Now once our data frame is ready, then we can calculate the covariance. Here in this variable we are saving the covariance value, and we are saying df dot covariance. So calculate the covariance for this data frame, and that columns you will be using will be age and salary. And once you calculate that, then we are going to print the value of this variable covariance result, and this will be covariance between age and salary. So let's go ahead and execute this notebook, and here is our data frame df, and we can see all the results. So you can see there is a age and salary. So you see that age 25, and then 50,000, and then 30, and 60,000, and 45, and 120,000, and 30, and 75. So 50 and 110,000. So there is a relationship going on. When age is increasing, the salary is also increasing. So you can see that the covariance between age and salary is this positive number. So it means that what's happening when the age is increasing, the salary is also increasing. Let's do a little bit reverse of it. So if in case if I have age 25 and salary is 150,000, then for age 30 I make it 160,000. But guess what, so here is the salary is increased, but this value is decreased, and here is also value is increased, and here is a decrease. But now the other are kind of here value is increased, the age is increased, and salary is not even close to these two numbers here, and the same way. So if you run this one, this time you should be getting the covariance between two of them as a negative number here. So you see right there. So that's how you will be using the covariance kind of to make sense if the relationship between two columns, if they are increasing together, or one is increasing and the other one is decreasing. So you can see right there what's happening in this case. I thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.